Hi, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the top cover from your PS4 Pro and how you can clean the fan. It's very easy. Anyone watching at home can do this on their own. You don't need any tech experience to do this. All you got to do is grab the top cover from the front on both sides and then just lift, and this cover comes off like so. And then we have access to the fan. We can blow it out with a can of air, or even clean it out with a toothbrush if you don't have air cans. And it's just that easy. I'm going to zoom in and show it to you again, just so you guys can get a better angle. You want to grab the front of the console, the top piece, and you just want to lift from the front on both sides. There's clips that are going to disengage, and then this cover is going to come right off. And now you're going to want to clean this fan right here. You want to clean it out, blow it out with a can of air or a toothbrush. You'd want to keep this fan clean because this is the fan responsible for cooling the system. And once you have it all cleaned out, we can put the top cover back on. It's extremely easy. And we're just gonna put the back in first. You're gonna angle it and then push it in from the front, and we're done. It's that easy. Don't forget to comment and like our videos and subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell next to the subscription button, because just simply subscribing on YouTube is no longer enough if you want to receive notifications. And also check out our website at www.fasttech.ca, where we sell all kinds of PS4 Pro parts, and we also sell repair services as well. Thanks.